That is Rain's question. Let us know in the comment section below. And hey, enjoy the video!
I got one question!
What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses Palette Idea Edition. Yes, and I'm so excited to be here with you all today because on this day I get to complete the project for my baby girl Rain and my baby boy Ricky Jones III. Yes, I already created the chairs. Y'all saw that video. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create the table, paint them both, and then present it to my lovely daughter once she make it home from school today. So I'm excited because obviously she's gonna see something new, and if you saw the last video, you already saw her excitement in just getting the chairs. But I know for sure she's gonna be highly excited because not only will she have chairs, she'll have a table, and it will be painted her favorite color, blue. And I wanted to say shouts out to Miss Christine Jones, who comments, which happens to be my mother. I love you dearly. And she recommended us to paint it blue to coordinate with the Pallet Deck furniture in the backyard. So shouts out to you, Mom, because yes, the coordination is great, and secondly, it's your granddaughter's favorite color, so you did very, very well. And as you said in your comments, mother knows best, and most often you do, okay? And so I am about to make it happen, but in order to make it happen, I have to go ahead and do my cuts, create my table, and do what I need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do just that, and I'll be using pallet wood and a 2x4. Womp, 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 womp. Yes, I know, I'm all about the pallets. However, this time I do want to use the 2x4s to create the legs, and then I have the pallet board piece situation do the sides, and then the pallet boards to go on top. And then we'll have it completed. So first thing first is go ahead and framing out the pallet table, and then I'll know how long to cut my boards to go across, and then it's the painting. And then we wait. So make sure you stay tuned to see her reaction to it all come about, because if it's anything like last time, we know it'll be so daring and it'll touch all of our hearts, okay? It'll touch mine first because I get to receive it first, but then it'll touch your heart because you get to see it through your eyeballs, okay? And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting for. You might as well go ahead because we have so much fun on this here channel. And for those who saw the video on yesterday, I'll be using that miter saw. Did you? If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check it out. And then, you know, after this video. But anyway, let me do what I got to do. Okay? Alright, so now I'm going measuring everything out. The legs will be 15 inches long. All four legs 15 inches long. That is what I'm measuring out. That is what I'm cutting out. And now I'm cutting out the side pieces, which will be 21 inches long on all four sides to make a nice square table so the kids can sit on. Now from there, I'm just going ahead and drilling them in the sides with 3-inch nails, or excuse me, 3-inch screws, just to make sure everything is nice and in there snug. You know, just making sure everything is nice and easy, nice and smooth, okay? So then from here, I then tap into trying to figure out how to do the side pieces, which I realized pre-drilling the screws is my best bet. So I use 2.5 screws to do the side so that I don't have any conflicting interests with drilling those in with the 3 inches, you know, on the other side. So, you know, gotta think ahead like that. So then I take it to the ground to do the last piece, which, as I say, is much easier. I was able to brace up the side piece with my leg as opposed to like my shoulder with it on the table, and it's done. Okay, now that is done, ladies and gentlemen, I have my frame done, which is ultimately the frame of the table. Now all I have to do is just go ahead and cut out the top parts, which I realize and know that I just have to cut them out to be 22 inches. Ultimately, that's what it is. Half of the board, it'll be half what it is, half of it is gonna be, okay? And then we will have this part finito, and I'm gonna use nails to hammer in because I don't plan on taking this table apart, so I use screws to go ahead and attach the bad boy, well, the frame that is, nails for the top. Be good to go for the paint job. Well, actually I have to sand first, and then I can clean it off, and then I can paint it, okay? So make sure you add the sanding part before you paint, because you don't want all the stuff and splinters. You don't want those things, especially for your kids, okay? So make sure your area is safe and kid friendly before you paint and make something a permanent fixture, okay? So yeah, man, and honestly, doing it on the ground was much better than doing it on the table. I felt like I had more control with my leg movements and all that good stuff. So if you're doing it by yourself like I am, floor method, have more control. Make sure you pre-drill, but do on the floor to assemble. All right, so let's go ahead and cut out my pallet boards for the top piece, nail them down, and then we'll talk a little bit before we paint. Yeah. Okay, so I actually cut out the top pallet board pieces to 21 inches, and I did that because I don't want to have to deal with like the screws and the nails and cutting and the sparks and all that good stuff. Like, I don't want those problems, so I just cut it to 21 inches and went from there. As you can see, I was able to use my little stool that rain denied, but ultimately it's, you know, find itself handy. And there I'm just lining everything up just to see how it will all lay out before I start the application process with the nails, which is just going on nice and smooth. I do one side at a time just to make life a little easier. Flip it around, hit the same side, just like that. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a completed project. Alright, beautiful people, so now that I have that done, I went on ahead and sanded this bad boy, and I got to prepare for painting, which is about to come up next, but I got to hurry up because rain is coming home shortly. So this video has actually been pretty full. Like, you see me build a table, well, you didn't see me sand it because I was like, you already see me sand it once, no need to sand it again, so I just go ahead and sand it by myself. So now you get to see me paint it, and then you get to see a reaction. Like, this is like a full type video. Like, I'm pretty proud of it all that you get to be a part of it. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and paint this bad boy, and it will be the same paint that I use on the pallet deck in the backyard, which is my deck over paint. I got the smooth finish. The Atlantic blue is what you see on top. Boop, you saw the dot, confirm what it is and what it will be. So if ever it goes in the backyard, it will match and coordinate with everything in the back, or if it sits to the front, it'll be cool because it is her favorite color. So I get a 2 for 1 for this whammy, and I am so excited about it. So without further ado, let me go ahead and paint, make sure everything stays on the board and things like that, because as y'all know, my wife exactly had the idea that, hey, I can spray paint some stuff on the concrete and the rainwater will wash it away. Yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and set a good example, the example, and paint on things so that she sees how it should be done next time. Happy wife, crazy life. Ooh, that's what it was. My wife isn't crazy. My life can be. Anyway, let me go ahead and get to the painting, and then hopefully get her reaction. I'm so excited. All right, let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so Crystal just went to go and get the kiddos, and it's not gonna be dry, but it'll be painted. So we'll be able to get her reaction of it being painted as opposed to her action of seeing it painted and be able to sit on it. But nonetheless, hey, we aspired, we pushed, we persevered, and ladies and gentlemen, this is the outcome, okay? So the blue is nice and rich, which I'm so excited about, and I have plenty of paint to go take it to the back to like finish out the different cuts and things that I need to finish out on the palette sectional. So very thankful for the blue. It brings everything together. So the next moment we will have is Rain's reaction. My baby girl. Oh my gosh. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit the bell notification so that you're made available of such videos as this, because we have fun on this channel. DKUJ family. Now to the reaction. Uh-oh. Y'all see who made it. Hey, beautiful. How you doing? Doing good? Hey, Rain. So I got
I know it's a surprise.
Oh, you know I got a surprise for you? Oh, you heard me talking to mommy?
Papa, yeah.
Huh?
Papa.
Huh? What do you think it is? Are you trying to look past me? Huh? Are you trying to look past me? What do you see?
It's the blue planet.
It's blue and you have a table.
Yeah.
I think it's dry now. Yep.
It is.
I think it's dry. Okay.
It's not on my hand.
Yeah.
It's
Oh. So what do you think?
good.
You like the blue?
Yeah.
Yeah? I thought you would. It's your favorite color. Mama C said you would like blue. Was she right?
Yeah.
Ricky, what do you think, man? He's the tough critic.
I
Let's see.
want to eat.
Ricky, what do you think about the table? You like it? Are you mad? You want to go outside? Are you hungry? Do you not want to do this video?
Is your name Ricky?
Is your name Ricky? Okay. Alright. See? Y'all see? I told y'all everything is no. So, what do you think, Rain? You like it?
Yeah, I think I want to eat here.
Oh, you think you want to eat here?
Yeah.
Well, you'll be able to. I'm going to put it in the back, and then you'll be able to eat back there. But we're going to eat inside today. I think Mommy wants to eat inside. Right? You want to eat inside? Okay. Yep, I thought so. Ricky, anything you want to say? I didn't think so.
Is this the same chair from yesterday?
Yes, the same chair from last time. But I just painted it. Yeah. What do you think about the paint job? You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. See? Give me a thumbs up. Whoop, whoop. See, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Rain loved it. Ricky is just hungry, so obviously he's in his feelings.
Ricky is not homework.
Yeah, you don't have homework today. So,
No, I said Ricky is not hungry.
oh, he's not hungry?
No.
Then why is he acting like that?
Because he want to go back to school.
Oh, he want to go back to school? He like going to school?
Yeah.
Well, that's beautiful. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for watching this video. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And we love you.
I got a question.
Okay, what is your statement?
What day you guys go to sleep?
What did you say?
What day you guys go to sleep?
What day do they go to sleep?
Yeah.
You go to sleep every day. Because they're humans watching this video, and humans have to go to sleep every day.
Watching their video?
Hopefully they do watch our videos before they go to sleep. Okay?
In their room?
In their room. And if all this is true, smash that like button to validate what we are saying.
Guys telling the truth?
We will find out. We'll read the comments, okay?
Have a TV in your room?
That is a good question. Do you have a TV in your room? And if you have a TV in your room, are you watching our videos before you go to sleep? That is Rain's question. Let us know in the comment section below. And
I got
hey, enjoy the video!
I got